Hi, in this day trading video we are looking at the S&P 500. We are looking to take an EET over on my right hand side. You'll see that sherbet colored back coloring on the left there. That's telling us we're coming at a no zone, and the next NSC is typically a higher probability trade. So I like to catch it early by taking the EET trade on a faster chart. That's why it's called the EET. So you see I got my mouse here over a quarter. It's looking like that's where I would want my entry to be, and we're looking for like a little white dot to show up. That's Pro Indicator version 2, showing us that we have an EET. Now, as most of you know that have been following my videos, I have my indicators. Let's get ready to, oops, almost put it into, like, now let's put it in. I just put the order in by accident, slipped on a mouse there. We just placed an EET. We're long on a real account, and I just moved my stop loss up to 94 1/4. So I'm risking 4 ticks. I'm looking for 6 ticks on this trade, because if we get the NSE, okay, we'll probably have 4 to 5 ticks profit in there, and the NSE is a probable winner. It's already heading back. It's already heading up. So we've already got 4 ticks profit in there. Okay, my stop loss has moved up to entry. I could just jump off with 4 ticks, but because this next NSC is a higher probability trade, I want to stay in and try to catch a couple extra ticks. The downside here is that we may get stopped out, or we may not get the NSC. The market may turn right back around and go down, and then we get stopped out on the trade. Okay, but at this point we would only be even because we had our stop loss moved up. So this is actually one of my favorite trades. It's also a great recovery trade. As most of you know, I day trade for a daily living. Okay, when I'm trading the S&P, I'm looking for 4 ticks profit on big contracts, make a real nice chunk of change. But one thing that we have to all learn is that we're not going to win every trade. Just like this trade, we're 1 tick away. It could turn right back down and stop me out. Okay, we're not going to win every trade, so learning how to recover from losers is paramount. That's the hard part. That's the part that you've got to be good at. It doesn't matter what day trading course you buy, or if you go to a day trading school. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that when you take a losing trade, you expect to take a losing trade, and you don't get emotional about it. Okay, and you don't get the what if syndrome. Well, what if I just pulled 4 ticks? I would have had a profit. This NSC may not happen over here. I know I could get stopped out. That's gonna turn you into an emotional trader, and you're gonna have a hard time being a successful trader, especially if this stops out. Obviously I want to see it make a profit, but if it down ticks right now, it's going to be a stop order. It's going to go up market. We may get slippage, but we probably would not. We'll probably just get out flat. But we already had 4 to 5 ticks profit in there. Okay. Now you'll see right now also, shifting gears, we have another NSC to the short side. Okay. We're already in an we have an EET to the short side. We're already long the EET, so we disregard any trades that are going against the trade we're already in. Okay, in all reality, if we get the NSC, which is very close to happening, we wouldn't even want to take this short EET anyways. Now, of course, all these day trading rules I teach in my system, and a lot of this right now you're seeing on Pro Indicator version 2. That's just an optional software program that you can purchase to use if you're a Ninja Trader user. But I teach you all the rules regardless in my day trading course, so you don't have to have Pro Indicator. A lot of this may sound like Greek, but I go in depth with all my training videos teaching you all of this, so it makes perfect sense. Really, I'm just trying to illustrate the different trades that we do. Illustrate that this is a higher probability trade, and therefore I'm trying to get more profit. Here we go. I'm trying to get more profit off these trades. Okay, we didn't even get the NSC yet, but yet we've already got 6 ticks. Now there's the NSC. We could even go for more, but we're already out. So just a really good example of an EET, one of my favorite trades when it's coming out of no zone.